Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your YouTube channel, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate your YouTube channel, start by visiting the YouTube website. If you haven't already, sign in using your Google account. In the top right corner, click on the profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select your channel. You will see an option to create a channel. Click on Create Channel. Choose whether you want to use your name or a custom name for your channel. If you choose a custom name, enter it in the provided field. Click Create. Once your channel is created, you can customize it. Click on Customize Channel to access various settings. Add a profile picture that represents your channel. Upload a banner image to enhance your channel's appearance. Write a compelling channel description that explains what your content is about. Include relevant keywords to help with searchability. You can also add links to your social media and websites in the About section. After customizing, click Save. Next, you may want to upload your first video. Click on the camera icon with a plus sign in the top right corner. Select Upload Video. Drag and drop your video file or select it from your device. Fill in the title, description, and tags for your video. Choose a thumbnail that captures viewers' attention. Set your video visibility to public, unlisted, or private, depending on your preference. Click Publish to make your video live. Now, check your channel to ensure everything looks as you want. Explore other features like playlists and analytics to enhance your channel experience. Congratulations, your YouTube channel is now active and ready for content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.